What is gua sha? Gua means to scrape, and sha means sand. But you can think of it as a metaphor for what happens when you do gua sha. When you do gua sha, you apply a gua sha tool to the skin with a scraping technique. The sha is the redness that comes out on the skin that is called petechiae. So I like it to say it looks more like a hickey than anything else. You scrape with the tool and this redness comes out, and we often call that sha. Amazingly, no matter how long you spend scraping, those hickey-like marks or petechiae don't come out on the areas that aren't stuck. And many of my clients find that really amazing. The skin might look like it's a little red in those areas, but it's only the areas that are tight and painful that release the sha, or the red dots. So can you see the red dots coming out here? The secret behind how gua sha works